Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are group G from class B. Before presentation, let me introduce our member group. There are Ananda Neki, Ayulan, Agisna Gifari, Mia Yuniarti, Putri Septia, and Salma Dewi Nurfarida. Well, we want to presentation about internet programming.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agisna Gifari Septiaji. My study number is 207006073. I'm through from 7 group of class B Informatika Engineer Siliwangi University. I will talk about web architecture. Web architecture is the conceptual structure of the World Wide Web. The WW3 or Internet is constantly changing medium that enables communication, debate when different users in the mechanical infrastructure, interoperability, debate different slash and the subjects. Client server. Client regular the web server access data for database, then the database is different response server to the client. Web at home, the web browser crashes the Pascal web break. You see the browser, the HTML, Cloud, FFML, ESS JavaScript client sold. Web browser page, EML, the code round the server converted to the HTML before sliding to the client. The Internet Web Programming Triangle (FML) thus define content of the page ESS to PESPA, carry out pen and the JavaScript to use JavaScript to programming the headband of the page. The Internet Programming, the four aspects for HTML. The scan is ESS, related JavaScript, and the word is web server.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salma Dewi Nurfarida, NPM 207006079. So next, HTML. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, the visual appearance of a website. Web browser language. All web browser understand HTML. HTML5 is the latest maintained by W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. So next, this is HTML code you can see in web browser in the video. Next, this is HTML page structure. Okay, you can see. Okay, next. So this is HTML editors. Professional HTML editors such Adobe Dreamweaver, Coffee Cup HTML editor, and more and other more. Okay, for the simple examples in this tutorial, we only need Notepad, Windows, or Text Edit Mac. Next, this is HTML text. You can see this is hyperlink, bold text, headers, title, image, paragraph, line break, and comment. Then later discuss with my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayulan Widiawati. I am from Informatics Study Program. Here I will explain the next material. 1. CSS cascading style set. 2. Styles define how to display HTML elements. 3. CSS is used to control the style and layout of multi-file web pages all at once. Why CSS is needed? 1. HTML was never intended to contain text for formatting a document. 2. HTML was intended to define the content of a document like. 3. This is a heading. 4. This is a paragraph. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium created CSS, HTML for all permissions could be removed from the HTML document and stored in a Spark CSS file. This is an example of an HTML image and a CSS example. And here's an example CSS syntax.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nia Yuniarti. My ID number 207006024. And I will to explain about 3 ways to insert CSS. There are 3 ways of inserting a style sheet. 1. External style sheet. This is recommended. An external style sheet is ideal when the style sheet applied to many pages. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. An external style sheet can be written in a text editor. The file should not contain any HTML tags. The style sheet file must be saved with a .css extension. 2. Internal style sheet. An internal style sheet should be used when a single document has a unique style. You define internal style in the head section of an HTML page inside the style tag. 3. Inline style. An inline style uses many of the advantages of a style sheet by mixing content with presentation. Use these methods sparingly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Satya Amalia with NPM 207006049 from class B. This time I will talk about JavaScript. JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language of the web. All modern HTML pages are using JavaScript. JavaScript is the default scripting language in all modern browsers and in HTML5. JavaScript is probably the most popular programming language in the world. It is the language for HTML, for the web, for the computers, servers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and more. JavaScript can change HTML elements, which makes it very powerful. Why JavaScript? JavaScript is one of 3 languages all developers must learn. 1. HTML, 2. CSS, 3. JavaScript. 1. HTML. HTML to define the content of web page. 2. CSS. CSS to specify the layout of web page. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript to program the behavior of web page. This tutorial is about JavaScript and how JavaScript works with HTML and CSS. JavaScript versus Java. JavaScript and Java are different languages, both in concept and design. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich to be used in Netscape, no longer existing browser, in 1995, and was adopted by the ACMA Standard Association in 1997. This is JavaScript example. JavaScript placement. JavaScript placement. You can place any number of scripts in a HTML document. Script can be placed in the body or in the head section of an HTML page or import. It is a good idea to place script at the bottom of the body element. This improves page load, because HTML loading is not blocked by script loading. Script can also be placed in external files. External scripts are practical when the same code is used in many different web pages. JavaScript files have the file extension with JS. Then later discussed by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Neki Putra. My student number is 2070-06039. I will talk about the web server. Now, what is the web server? The term of web server can refer to either the hardware, the computer, or the software, the computer application, that helps to deliver web content that can be accessed through the internet. The most common use of web server is to host websites, but there are other uses such as gaming, data storage, or running enterprise application. There are many examples of web server. First is IIS or Internet Information Service for Microsoft Windows. Second is Apache Web Server that has open source and closed platform capability. Next is Nginx that has become a very popular web server lately. And the last one is GWS or Google Web Server. Now, in this section, you can see many web server popularity, such as Apache, Microsoft Windows, Sun, Nginx, Google, NCSA, and others. The next section is Internet Information Service or IIS. IIS or Internet Information Service is a web server that hosts the web page or website. Make sure to have IIS role installed with IISP.NET subcomponents. The default IIS directory is in C inetpub www root. This is the picture of IIS deployment program. In this section, you can test your web page in your web browser. Localhost is your personal computer. You can also use your IP address. For future reference, you can see another tutorial in these links.
That's our presentation. And before we close, I have a conclusion of our presentation. And the conclusion is Internet programming divided into three, namely CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So we think the end our presentation. We will hope our presentation will be useful for you. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.